Hello everyone and welcome back. This is how to log in and we are back with another tutorial video. In this video we will be showing you how you can sign in to your existing Bumble account. You can use Bumble both in your PC web browser and in the Android as well as iOS application. If you don't have the Bumble application installed on your smartphone, you will need to first go into your Google Play Store or the iOS App Store. Then just go ahead and search for Bumble. Once you find the application, go ahead and tap on the Install button, and then once the application is installed, tap on the Open button. This will open up the Bumble application. From here, you can easily log in to your account, whether you created it from your Facebook account or your phone number. You can tap on Continue with Facebook if you created your account from your Facebook profile. Or you can click on Use Cell Phone Number if you created your account using your phone. Now just enter your phone number and then tap on the Next button at the bottom right corner. Then tap on OK in order to verify your phone number. You will now be asked to enter your login code. This will be sent through an SMS to your phone number. After typing in this code, tap on the Next button once again. You can tap on the Didn't Get a Text button if you have not received a text message with the code. From there, you can either use your Facebook instead, or you can get a phone call. You can also request a second text, or you can change your phone number. Select either of those options which is appropriate for you. After entering your login code, you will be taken into your Bumble account immediately. You can now start looking through various profiles and try to find your connection. And that is how you can log in to your Bumble account on your smartphone. If you like this content, make sure you go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell if you wish to be notified whenever we upload a new video on how to log in. Thank you for watching.